Hey guys, it's Tony. I did want to add in a quick TA for MATIC because I do think it's going to keep running up on its trend, and I think it's going to break that $1.90 mark. Keep in mind, if it actually breaks $1.90, the next stop is going to be $2.82. I don't really see MATIC, you know, I don't see any resistance here. So if it does end up breaking to the upside, which I think it will in the next, it'll start in the next 2 hours and 48 minutes. You know, when this bull trigger closes for the 4 hour right there, I don't know if you guys can see it right there. I do think it's going to break that $1.89 mark, and I think it's going to start its run to $2.82. Watch, look at the weekly, right? If we look at the weekly, it actually broke trend right here. So this was a downtrend that I had for a while, ever since you know, May. Came all the way down, right? Price was just continuously hitting these. It ended up breaking that downtrend October 18th, and it's the second week on its bull break uptrend, right? And then for the daily, again, plenty of movement on the daily. It's still pretty bullish on the daily. Keep in mind, we are already oversold on the stochastic, but I've taught you guys already that just because something is overbought, just because you have like the RSI overbought or the stochastic overbought up here, it doesn't mean that it's going to sell off. And a lot of people make that mistake, and that's how you lose money. And I think it's like the worst thing like ever, because you know, everybody that's in my Patreon already knows if the stochastic is up here, that doesn't mean that it's going to sell off. It just means that there's a lot of buying pressure. So if you start getting bullish triggers up here on the reverse MACD, you know, the next time that the stochastic stays up here, it's up here, there's these bullish waves are going to come super hard. So you know, when you have like that dual trigger like that, you can expect crypto, or you know, really any stock to move to the high side. But again, I am very bullish on MATIC right now. I do hold a pretty nice position in MATIC. I forgot how much I hold, but I think my position is close to like $10,000 right now for MATIC by itself. And I will be looking into staking it because I am holding it long term. It's one of the bigger projects. It's actually my most I think my most valued project. I think MATIC is going to be huge, especially with the Coinbase NFT platform that's coming out soon, and a lot of other stuff, right? But again, I think that we are going to be breaking these relative highs of $1.89 right here, this resistance. Once that breaks, you might trade sideways, you know, you might go straight up, sideways, whatever. But I think the next stop for MATIC, if this price point breaks, I think we're going to be headed to $2.82. And I just think that that's more than likely where we're going to go. And if I had to give a rough estimate of when, I think latest you might see, you know, $2.82 by like December 8th. So at the very latest, I would say that December 8th is where I think that MATIC is going to hit that $2.82. At the very earliest, you know, it can basically just shoot up today, which I don't think it will. But again, once this breaks right here, once you actually break this resistance, there's no resistance anywhere until $2.82. So I'll see you guys later. Super bullish on MATIC right now. Have a good day. Bye bye.